Hello, welcome back. Today we've got another DVD, Disney DVD, Toy Story 3, certificate U. Runtime is approximately 98 minutes, so over an hour and a half. It's a good DVD, a single one as well. This one does have an inlay card with codes on it, but I do believe that this website actually no longer works. If I'm wrong, but please let us know in the comments below. But yeah, definitely worth a purchase. It is obviously available from both Amazon and eBay. And if you do like this content, please subscribe, as it really does help out the channel. Many thanks.